This is Key to Key Academy. All right, this is the trade update on gold. Um, very interesting things have happened. Very, very interesting things have happened when it comes to gold. So if you remember last, I think it was on Saturday when um, I posted that we were going to be looking for buys from this area because of this weekly order block. Since we're bullish, so it wouldn't be a problem for us to continue going up just like that, right? But I was expecting the buy to happen from that area in respect of that order block. I'm so I was expecting a Judas swing to the downside so that we can push, especially around this area. If we can go to 4-hour time frame, you'll see that what I was waiting for kind of makes sense, right? So let me remove this. So this is the weekly order block. Let me just take it back so you can see it properly. So that's the weekly order block. There's the weekly order block. Um, and if you go to 4-hour time frame, you'll see that there was some form of market structure shift. Um, price took these highs, and when price took these highs, I was like, okay, now we are ready to bow because we have entered or mitigated a key area, which is this order block. So I saw this, I was like, okay, lower high, lower low. We took these highs, we took buy side liquidity, we came back, we failed to take this loss. I was like, okay, this is gonna, keep on going up just like that. That's what I was thinking. Um, and I did take some buys on within this area. I'm just gonna show you the buys that I took. Um, I still wish to show you the screenshots on my phone, but yeah, I'll try and edit. So I took buys from this area because of this minor shift and also this fair value gap right here as my entry signal. So I took buys from here, exactly here, and then my stop loss was below this candlestick, and my TP, I was hoping that it's gonna go up, right? So I risked $10. I have two accounts. One account I closed around here, so it made around, no, I think I closed somewhere here. Let me not lie. I closed somewhere here, right? So it made around, I think it was 30 something dollars, $32 or so in profit. And then the other account, I was like, okay, I'm gonna hold, because I was hoping that price is just gonna retrace and then it's gonna keep going up like that. But unfortunately, we took a loss on the other account, $10 loss. We made profits on the other account. So yeah, we just got liquidated. Price went down. I was not expecting this, honestly speaking, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe it's the wars that are happening, this World War III and whatnot. So yeah, that's what happened. Took the loss and the win because I entered into accounts. Um, because I was hoping this daily candlestick is gonna close bullish. So when it closed bearish, that was kind of like a red flag, but I was like, okay, maybe this the Tuesday candlestick is gonna go up, but it didn't. It just kept on going down. Then when I was analyzing, I woke up in the morning today, I was analyzing, I was like, okay, let me see. The structure is still bullish. I still see price going up. Also, if we can use what is this thing called? The If we can use the Fibonacci, you can see that we have retraced into this candlestick went down to this level 61.8, 80% of the Fib level, and we also came to to reach out on this volume imbalance. So it seems like price wants to close um, or rebalance this volume imbalance before we can go up, because I still see price pushing up. I still see price breaking, going to the upside. The only thing that can invalidate this trade is if we break around this area. So if we break below this area, or if this candlestick breaks below this candlestick close, then that's bearishness in price. But I still see bullishness in price. We are at the high-low level, aiming for a high to be formed. And I kind of understand why price didn't buy from that level, and it seems like it wants to come back to rebalance that area. So what we are waiting for right now, since we have seen, let me just remove this. I don't like an unclean chart. So what it seems like we're gonna have to wait for here as a 4-hour shift of structure, maybe somewhere around this area, right? And I'm hoping this candlestick closes bearish and the Wednesday candlestick closes bullish. That would be very, very good. Something like this. That would be very, very marvelous. Not that I'm exaggerating. So this is a Monday, this is Tuesday. So I'm hoping the Wednesday candlestick closes bullish like this. So on Thursday I can look for buys, because if it closes bullish, which means now the daily bias is bullish, because the daily structure is bullish: high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, right? So if we have a bullish market structure and we have bullish candlesticks going up, what we have to capitalize on is those wicks or those Judah swings of the bullish candlesticks, of the bullish daily candlesticks. So that's what I'm saying. I'll be so happy if this closes bearish. Wednesday, tomorrow, the candle closes bullish. Then Thursday, I'll look for buys. Because I want to see something like this. I don't know if it's gonna make sense. Because since it seems like we are being bearish according to how the structure is moving. So I want to see price at least pushing up, forming a Wednesday candlestick, pushing up, and then Thursday candlestick Judah swing, so we can buy. I don't know if it makes sense, right? What I'm trying to explain is the same concept that happened here. If we come back here, right, if we mark this low, you'll see that that's a Judah swing of a candlestick. If we mark this low, you'll see that that's the Judah swing of a candlestick. So if you come, you can see it's like price, sorry, it's like a high low, high low. So this is what's happening. It's like price went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, just like that. So what we're trying to do is to enter within these lows. The same way I spoke about waiting for the candlestick for Wednesday to close bullish, then the candlestick for Thursday to close too, so I can enter this low. The same way one could have entered the buy here, right? Let me just give you an example. Let me just put this like this. Maybe it would make sense when I go down, right? You see, this week, that's a high-low level on a 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. You see, that's a high-low level, right? On a 4-hour time frame. And if we come here to, sorry. If we come to that low here, this one, that's a high-low level. If you go to 4-hour time frame, you'll see that it is a high-low level. You see, high, high, low, high, low. So this is the lows of the candlesticks that I'm trying to get. That's what I'm saying. It would be nice to see this closing bearish like this. Then we get another bullish candlestick on Wednesday. I don't know how it's going to be bullish. It might be bullish on a lower level or whatever. whatever it is, but I want to see the Wednesday candlestick to be bullish, the daily Wednesday candlestick to be bullish, so that the Thursday candlestick I can look for buys from that high low. So I'm waiting for a shift of market structure on a 4 time frame so they can buy. And yeah, those are the confluences that I'm looking forward to. So those are the confluences that I am looking forward to when it comes to gold. You know, I'm gonna remove everything because everything's clustered. But I hope what I've just explained kind of makes sense. You know, so it seems like price failed to respect this level and go up. We're still bullish. We haven't broken below this um, higher low. You know, so we're still waiting for price to be bullish. Probably might happen next week. It might happen this week, but this is what I'm waiting for. This is the model that I'm waiting for um to trade. So we'll see how this plays out. Um First, just don't like a clustered chart. So this is what's happening. We are coming to a key level, a high low level, from a high to take this highs. And yeah, we'll see how this plays out. I'm just going to be looking at it. I'm not focusing on any other thing. I'm looking at it. And also, there's an volume imbalance here that a price has left, which price has to come and refill. So that's another confluence that price needs to push from this key area and come back to refill this volume imbalance, or continuously take these highs, take that high, or take that high. So that's what we're looking forward to on gold. Um, yeah. So yeah, this is Key to Key Academy. Bye.